Welcome, fellow bakers. Ever wondered why your French macarons don't turn out perfect? The secret might be in the climate. In a dry climate, macarons bake beautifully. The egg whites whip up nicely, providing that light, airy texture we all adore. But in a humid climate, moisture is the enemy. It can sneak into your egg whites, making them tough to whip and causing your macarons to fall flat. So how do you combat the humidity? By being a vigilant baker. Ensure your egg whites are as dry as possible. And here's a pro tip. Use aged egg whites. They whip up better, giving you that perfect rise. Remember, baking is a science. Every detail counts, especially when making delicate French macarons. So keep an eye on the climate and happy baking. Did you find this macaron mastery tip helpful? If so, we've got plenty more where that came from. But we need your help to keep the baking tips and tricks coming. By liking this video, you'll let us know that you want more content like this. Sharing the video with your fellow baking enthusiasts will help spread the love of baking and the science behind it. And most importantly, subscribing to our channel will ensure you never miss a video. So if you're ready to take your baking skills to the next level, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue this delicious journey together. Happy baking, everyone!